Guys, I am pumped up, man. I am in Melrose, Florida. I'm here for the Florida Hunt 7, and that starts tomorrow, Saturday. Homeowner gave me permission to do her property. It goes back to the 40s when the house was built, but before that, there was some property here as well. So this is gonna be a good day. Now, the bad thing is it's raining like crazy. It's rained almost all the way here, but it just now stopped. That's a good sign because I'm about to get some sweetness from the ground. You will not want to miss us. Trust me, folks. This will be part 1 of 3 days detecting. So here we go. Stand by, and I'm going to see you on the first dig. All right, guys, we are getting started. It's 10 a.m. Melrose, and I'm getting my first signal. Sounds like a coin. It's a 26, 25. Let us dig it. Sounds like it's right there. Let's see. Oh, it's a dime. A dime. Starting out with a dime. That is awesome. All right, guys, second target. Sounds pretty good. It's right there. Let's see what we got in the hole. Hey, the good mix of soil, folks. See the different color? Had to work hard. It got me. Oh, it is a wheat penny. Sweet, sweet. Look at that green, that patina coming off.
Well, in 1956, 1 gallon of gas was just 22 cents. And if that ain't crazy, the average cost of a new house, $12,000.
Right next to the sidewalk. 38, that's pretty high. Check it out. All right, guys, I want you to see this. This is that hole up next to the sidewalk. Down deep, I'm pulling the dirt out, and I literally felt it on the side here. There it is. You can barely see it. That is a coin. Let me get the camera down where you can take a good look at it. See it? Looks like a penny. I'm hoping it's a wheat penny. It's old. Look at that color. I think it is. Yep, it is wheat penny number 2. Yeah. What?
Remember, at the end of the video, you've got stories from the COPTECH Vault.
All right, guys, I just found that wheat penny right there where the coil is. Moving on. Getting another target right here. Oh my God, this one was all over the place. Got another penny, folks, right here. Oh, I do believe, yes, it is a wheat penny. Now we're ready for the trifecta alien, baby. Any 3 of a kind? Bringing out the dancing alien. Here we go. Check it out. Nice. It is starting to rain, and when you're given lemons, you make lemonade. And I'm not going to stop. Got the raincoat out. 3 wheat pennies, and I've just worked this front along the sidewalk. Now I'm getting another signal, so you got to hang in there, folks. I am not stopping. Little rain never hurt anyone. Here we go. Woo! Another coin. First one in the rain. Again, along the sidewalk. Another wheat penny. Number 4, baby. Number 4. We got some craziness in the hole. I can see it's not a coin, it's something big, like a big bolt. What the heck is that? There's a nail. Is that a nail or a key or what is this? A hook? I don't know what that is. Oh.
Hunk of junk.
Surface fine, just an old door jamb lock, probably from a remodel. right, up next to the sidewalk. And another coin I've lost. Oh, right here it is. Let's hope it's a wheat penny. Oh, it's a nickel. You know what? I was getting a 12. I didn't even think about it. I was getting a 12 where nickels read up at 13. But looky there. I wonder what year that is. 1952. Yeah, that's a nice one. All right, a little recap. 1 hour and I've worked. You can see where my Ford Explorer is. I just worked along that sidewalk. Four or five wheat pennies. I just got a nickel. There's a lot of roots on this property. The lady that lived here for many, many years loved to garden, so there's so much. But we're gonna keep looking. It's been good so far. First hour, thumbs up. Getting a 25, 26. Look at these roots. Golly, there's something right there. Well, there it is. Right there, folks. Can you see it? Right there. Please be a Wheatie. Ah, it's a stinking Lincoln. Stinking Lincoln. Hey, you gotta get one. Oh man, it's gonna be a nightmare to dig up next to a cypress and whatever kind of tree that is growing up right in the middle of all that. Getting a great signal. Good thing is it's about 6 inches, but whoo, do I want to fight through all that? What do you think, folks? Should I dig it or skip it? I'm gonna dig it. You never know. Okay, it appears to be out of the hole. Oh, there it is right there. Can you see it? Let's see what we got together. Another Lincoln. First bottle cap, everywhere you go. Milk cap, gas cap, some kind of cap. Big penny, big penny. All right, it's raining again. Got the old rain jacket on, and now I'm in the front yard working this sidewalk. And sure enough, get a penny right there. Another memorial, but right next to the sidewalk. Love it, love it. That's 25, 26. Got the dirt out, and look, there it is. A big penny. That's what it looks like. Need another wheat. It's a Lincoln. I'll take it. Sweetness, guys, sweetness. Look at there. I was getting a nice signal by this massive tree. Look at this big old thing. And there it is. It's gotta be silver. Look at that spoon. That's dark colored. That is so cool. Very nice. Very nice. We'll get this cleaned up, see if we can identify it. I'm sure it's got some writing on it somewhere. Silver, I see it right there. It's like silver plate. Sweet. Golly, I love finding spoons, man. That is cool. I think it's been here forever. We'll see if we can get a date on it. It says Madison silver plate. Awesome. Guys, that's a heck of a surface find. I didn't even need a detector. That thing hasn't been down there that long. That is gold all day long. I hope hope the owner lost this, so I'm going to ask her and give it back to her. Sweetness, got a nice gold earring. All right, guys, it's about 1 o'clock. So far, we got some wheat pennies, silver and gold. Yeah, another stinking Lincoln out by the roadway. It's an old brass screw singing to me. Thought I had something good. Another penny. A zinkin. Look how quickly you get eaten away. Just deteriorating right and left. I had to get one. So I see something else here. Look at that. That bottle is broke. That one is. Ooh. Yeah. That sucker is intact. Yeah. My friend, what the beep? He digs bottles. He'd probably love this. What the beep is it? All right, that's kind of cool. God, I wish it had coins in it. That looks broke, whatever it is. Yeah, golly, dang it. There's the other half of it. All right, let's see what's anything else in here. That's why you got gloves on there. Look at that old light bulb, sharp. This is it. Chunk of metal, I have no idea what that is. Chunk of metal. And this was the only bottle intact. That's it. This thing ain't even going off now. Unless I knock it out. There it is right there. It's a quarter. First quarter. I'll take it. Hey folks, the rain is coming back, so we're going to end it on a high note. I just dug this in the driveway, hit it, and it's a Wheatie. I think that's my 5th Wheatie. So, it's starting to rain again. Nasty, getting cold. It's been a good day. Got to get ready, and I'll see you tomorrow, Florida Hunt.
You don't want to miss this segment, folks. I'm going to bring you stories from the COPTECH Vault. That's right. Stories covering my 32 years as a law enforcement officer. Stand by. J. Byron's department store. It had one way in and one way out. And I worked there as a store security guard. And I was also a police officer. I was moonlighting. Second job, folks. And boy, they had their hands full of shoplifters. They'd grab a rack of clothes and run out the door all the time. And you had to be really close by to be able to catch them. Well, this day I was, and this young man right here walks out with an armload of clothes, and I was right behind him running full speed. Yes. But watch his right hand right here. He reaches in his pocket and he grabs a can of pepper spray, which means I got a face full of it when we got outside. Now I was able to run some distance with that pepper spray, but there's also an off-duty officer that spotted him, and he was taken into custody and charged with robbery because he used a weapon during the commission of a crime. That's my story from the COPTECH Vault.